Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting reliable source images. Mount your camera, choose RAW and bracket exposures. Set manual focus and lock white balance so frames match. Aim for 3/7 shots spanning highlights to shadows at plus or -1 to plus or -3 EV. Once done, verify no major movement between frames. If handheld, enable lens stabilization and increase overlap. Make sure histograms show clipped highlights in bright frames and blocked shadows in dark frames, so the merge has full tonal data. You import the bracketed RAWs into your HDR tool and choose automatic alignment to correct tiny shifts. Turn on deghosting to resolve moving subjects like leaves or people. Next, create an intermediate 32-bit or mapped 16-bit file. You'll then tone map to compress the dynamic range. Push global exposure and contrast first, then refine local contrast, highlights, and shadows. Use mid-tone adjustments and local masks to guide light where the eye expects it. This prevents flat or overcooked results. You finish by refining local tones and color. Dodge and burn to direct attention, apply subtle color grading, and use selective sharpening only on textured areas. Then crop and straighten if needed. Export a 16-bit TIFF for further edits or a high-quality JPEG for web sharing. If you notice halos, reduce global clarity or feather masks. If noise shows in shadows, apply selective denoising before sharpening. Finally, compare the HDR against a single RAW exposure to ensure your image looks natural and balanced.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.